Are you looking for the best safety glasses in your budget? In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 best safety glasses 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you need more information about these products and their latest prices, please check out the description section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Work safety goggles are designed to fit everyone. A super soft material between the frame and your face ensures a perfect fit and a protective seal. They have an adjustable band that wraps around your head without digging into any pressure points. The ANSI-certified polycarbonate lenses resist scratching and have a special anti-fog coating. Not only that, but the lenses block UV rays and are polarized to minimize glare. You'll also appreciate the panoramic design, which provides a wide field of vision and complete protection from particles and irritants. Number 4. The CleanGuard safety glasses offer clear vision in bright lighting, with polarized lenses that block out a portion of the reflective light, reducing glare. They have a durable, flexible frame, as well as rubber grips at the end of each arm to prevent shifting during use. The lenses also have an anti-scratch and anti-fog coating to ensure clarity while working. These safety glasses by CleanGuard looked and felt good enough to be used in place of my regular sunglasses with several major advantages, including the flexible frame and the wide, polycarbonate lenses that have decent peripheral coverage. While there was still some space between the glasses and my face, the gap was small enough that they can be used for most DIY applications. However, I did have issues with flying debris when I was using a circular saw and a power sander. While these safety glasses are a great choice for a variety of tasks, tight-fitting goggles are better suited for tasks that produce high levels of debris. Number 3. Moving between hot, humid outdoor conditions and cool, air-conditioned indoor locations is exactly what these anti-fog glasses are made for, ensuring that the user retains clear vision without having to remove or clean the safety glasses. These Nocri safety glasses also protect the eyes from about 90 to 100% of UV radiation, with a flexible fit that wraps around behind the eyes for a snug fit. The Nocri safety glasses are a lightweight, relatively comfortable option that grips the head behind the ears, making sure that the glasses are hard to shift or remove without intentionally taking them off. During my tests the glasses didn't fog at all, so I could see the entire time, and despite tossing them on the ground a few times the lenses didn't show any scratches. While these safety glasses are good for simple DIY tasks, the gap between the lenses and my face left my eyes vulnerable to sawdust, sparks, and other debris while I was using a saw, drill, and grinder. They are not suitable for use in situations with a significant amount of flying debris. Number 2. These safety glasses can be used indoors or outdoors for a variety of basic tasks, like yard cleanup, prefabricated furniture construction, or clearing a clogged sink. They have impressive flexibility, durability, and scratch resistance, as well as UV filtering lenses that protect the user from UVA, UVB, UVC, and harmful blue light. During the initial phases of testing, I found that these safety glasses were definitely comfortable, with a lightweight frame and soft nose pads that helped prevent them from shifting or falling off. The Oakley safety glasses were a good choice for casual DIY tasks, like mowing the lawn, trimming around the fences or other lawn obstacles, and edging the lawn because the high level of UV protection meant that my eyes were rarely affected by the bright sunlight. However, the gap around the lenses leaves too much space for these safety glasses to be effective when working with a chop saw, circular saw, or any other tool that produces a lot of dust and debris. Number 1. Iodine scullers have polarized lenses, which minimize glare from things like water, sun, and glass. This prevents light from going directly into your line of vision, reducing sensitivity to reflective surfaces, and is generally more comfortable for the eyes. 1. The lenses also provide UV protection too and resist scratching. These protective glasses meet ANSI standards for safety and military standards for ballistic impact resistance. 3. The blade-style frame is made of flexible yet durable nylon, and rubber around the bridge and temples keeps them in place. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like, comments, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hope to see you guys in the next video.